the easy way to really get rid of hiccups right now. Of course, this is just a method that worked for me. If it would be dangerous or harmful in your particular situation, please don't do it. I'm not a doctor and I don't play one on YouTube either. This is not medical advice, it's just something that worked for me. And of course, not everything works for everybody. And very rarely I have had to do this process twice. If it doesn't work for you the first time, please give it a second go around. Step 1. Inhale as much air as you possibly can. Don't exhale. Step 2. Try to inhale even more. Now even more. Keep trying to inhale even more. Step 3. Hold it as long as you can comfortably. Step 4. Exhale normally. Step 5. Cough. If you don't hiccup when you cough, it means you just got rid of the hiccups the easy way right now. Congratulations. Please comment below if this worked for you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get an email whenever I post a new video on an easy way to do something. Or make me really happy and buy me a virtual cup of coffee through my Patreon link in the description box below. Do you know any more easy ways to do something? Please comment below. I really appreciate it when you do, and I may feature your easy solution in a future video. Until next time, remember to work smarter, not harder,